Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.5% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.2% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The oil dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices steadied and were headed for a third straight quarterly gain after a key US inflation report was broadly in line with expectations, boosting hopes that the Federal Reserve could cut interest rates by September. China's manufacturing activity fell for a second month in June, while services activity slipped to a 5-month low, an official survey showed, keeping alive calls for further stimulus as the economy tries to get back on its feet. Oil prices fell as investors weighed weak US fuel demand and took some money off the table at quarter end, while key inflation data for May boosted the chances the Federal Reserve will start to cut interest rates this year.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 14 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 14 GMT. Germany's Consumer Price Index at 12 GMT. Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices will be released at 12 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's Consumer Confidence Index at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.